Check out this pink Ferrari. What is it, 488? Got ears. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Where did I put the bar? There it is. Today we are working on the TL. What are we doing to the TL? End links, sway bar end links. I'll show you guys. Here it is. Sway bar end links. We replace the old ones because the old ones are like actually non-existent. You'll see as I go along. I think it's this side, passenger side, which is like messed up, like completely split. Yeah. Whew, it's cold. Where's the gloves at? Need some gloves. Here we go. About to get this started. Along the way, I'll stop and show you guys the process and see what's going on. But yeah. Can't get that off, guys. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Greased the snot out of it. It's not budging. I think it's like seized on there. You see what I'm talking about? Thing like split right in half. Don't know what to do. I'm kind of stuck in a pickle, y'all. And I like pickles. Be right back. Yeah. No bueno. That means did not happen. I failed, guys, and I feel horrible. I swear I do. But everything was seized up, like rusted to the point where, yeah, like I'm not Arnold Armstrong or something like that. I'm a skinny boy. I need a torch to break loose the nut or the bolt or whatever. But yeah, stay tuned. We are gonna get it done. I might give Prospect a call so they can help me out. But yeah, stay tuned. You know where I'm at. You know where I'm at. Oh yeah. I want to do it now because it's still early. How she look? No late? It's not. That light was trash.
You would be sick if I had the
Quick, look at that. The whole thing? I sure will. Any jokes? Huh? Here.
Look, there's the one I needed. Which way you want to turn? Towards him.
All right.
Cut it off. I didn't know if he's in the hand.
Quick.
Do you remember what?
Huh?
Didn't she say something about the caliper now?
The toe sway bar end links. That's what those are.
You taking a picture of my feet?
Nah.
Even though mine look
Just
more
like
like water
ours,
bowls
yeah.
than yours, to be honest. I need to be brought back to life. But still, water bowls. I'll do it this year.
We're
Then.
not doing front braking. Just telling you.
You gotta do the front, right? Well, let's change that for the first.
The back we're doing because we didn't get the front one.
The front has the sway bar end links. It's snapped. You see them right there in this?
Need some light.
Asking if you want like
It's like completely snapped right there.
She saw life on that front brake though, right?
Yes, I should.
It's the back brakes that were bad.
Not much.
It's low.
Not much.
Not much, it's low.
No, but
Said like May or
since it had the set.
Yeah, that's what you're saying, May, right?
Yeah.
We get done before May.
No, I know.
The back was the most important.
It was the back was
You're
really
done.
important.
Been done.
Told her she's just riding on the two brakes in the front.
That's what I said.
Yeah, with the V40?
No,
Spray.
I should do the still got the penetration one.
Yeah.
Yep.
You're in the devil.
I did that. So we'll see. When I had the power tools, everything.
Exactly.
Jammed up my finger. Cut that exhaust off.
What do you mean?
That muffler.
17 speed.
Make some noise.
Good luck.
Done, bro. Back to start.
This is light. It's supposed to be on the top of the unit in the hallway. Oh, it's brighter than this.
A pry bar or something. Cause it's on there. Yeah, getting the brakes, and sway bar end links fixed right now. Underground parking lot. Kind of crazy. It's been a while since I did like this.
It's for the he's for the base for the we got this one. We got this.
It's alright. The new sister. I'm not filming you. I'm filming this. Why? Is it a problem?
You're such a shit disturber. What did he say?
Is it you?
He's the shit disturber.
He's a shit disturber.
Is
He's
it?
like, why are you filming me? I'm like, I'm not. I'm filming this. I said, what's with the GoPro?
Everything okay? Did you do something?
That's
Like,
definitely going up, not deleted. What did I do? I didn't do anything.
Black. It's a black.
we already know. Should have
It's
had the
always-
damn
it's
camera
whatever.
the day at the Legion.
It's recording sideways.
Pardon?
Yeah, only the link. Yeah, only the link. The reason why we're here is because it's split, so you're gonna have to like torch it. You're gonna have to torch it because it's split.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
All of them.
I can't.
Every one of them.
Yeah, she's going up under the knife this time, people. We're gonna get it right. Shit. You know what I mean? Holy. What's that though? What you guys know about the Toronto? If you know, you know. Old school birds, son. Wi-Fi right here. Underneath is not that bad. Delete these mufflers for sure. See it? Two and two. We're gonna replace this soon.
Next time, which car?
Okay, so don't worry. We're gonna get all this stuff for your car. Get this stuff fixed.
Same question. What kind of car?
Nah, leave that, because it was that side that was rotted out. This side right here. What? Oh, this is what we're replacing, guys. That right there, you see it? Once again. Clean though.
Air Canada is ready to take you to Europe with irresistible fares and special offers. Are you ready? Ready to Osaka and Athens, and Rosario, ready to walk through the ready to work on your tan in Nice or Lisbon? Yeah, you're ready to
Do
Europe.
you have a bolt in your car or anything like that? Like a bolt or a screw?
Get away today at aircanada.com or contact your travel agent.
A vibrant, affordable community to come home to. An after-shift beach day. A commute you don't actually hate.
It's got this
It doesn't sound like the usual.
Here, I got a next car, I gotta leave it up here.
Because Nova Scotia is hiring doctors, nurses, continuing care assistants, and paramedics.
Watch the master at work.
What you do for self-care is just as important as
If you don't move,
join us in Nova Scotia. Start feeling more balance.
You can go down there, start it, try to move it, even though I move it, then you reverse.
03 Yukon. You know what's worse? Pay more tax. Am I gonna get copyrighted? I'm gonna copyright you. That one part right there. Oh, jeez. You gotta keep on talking. Music's loud right now. But I'm not a talkative guy. Sorry, guys. Mother. I need a lift. I need a lift. Just do it on your back and my knees. Nah, it's not.
Not easy, just
Not easy.
up here is easy.
Yeah, cause you have leverage now, right?
Yep. Mister, not even here is easy.
I'm watching it right now.
These things are always a problem.
What degrees do you use? Which one is that, Jay?
Huh? Anything, man.
Anything? PB Blast is good, right?
Any degrees, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
This one's started, that's finished. So, what's up, boss?
Yeah, just picking up my car.
Oh, is that you?
I'll have to get an alignment after this, right?
Not for this, no.
Not for this? Okay. But this will stop the kind of the vibration.
No, knocking.
New
Not
wheels.
vibration. You're gonna stop it from, like, rattling.
Okay. We need wheels then. This sounds for sure. Oh yeah.
What are those?
Finally, the new parts are coming on. Jeez. How long do we have those in the car for? How long do we have those parts in the car for? For like almost 2 months. Giant resonator. Like that. New parts going on, people. Yep, that's it. Got it fixed. Finally. Jay's performance shop. Exhaust. Was gonna go to Prospect, but you know, timing, money. Wait, Jay, I'm still coming to you. I need my Acura done for sure. For sure, I'll spend the bag for that. You know, but thank you guys for watching. Yeah, we're not finished with Jenny too, so Jay, you're gonna do some work to this for sure. But please like, subscribe, comment, do all that jazz for me, please. Thank you guys very much. Peace out.